Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood. Topic is global food crisis. Global food crisis is on the rise due to unbalanced global system for many reasons. To understand it, let us take an example of an apple a day keeps doctor away. But when price started soaring, how can a poor afford it? And this is happening for all foods, drinks, herbs, medicines, etc. Reason for soaring food prices. Take an example of a farmer producing apples. To increase his income, he needs to sell more and more apples, for which he will need to increase its production no matter what. Also, he will start using supersonic fast robotic machines and laying off humans to increase his profitability. A single supersonic fast robotic machine may replace thousands of humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single supersonic fast machine. And it is happening in every sector. Since layoff is on the rise, people will gradually reduce buying apples, which means apple farmer will have to reduce production at later stage and increase its price to have enough saving, so more people will reduce buying apples in return and more prices will increase. You may find little bubbles of reduces price, like in the ocean you see bubbles. Eventually some farmers will have to shut down their apple industries since they cannot manage any longer. You already have started seeing many businesses are shutting down. Danger of wiping out foods, life-saving herbs, medicines, etc. There is a great danger that some foods might be wiped out from the world due to not be able to make it cost effective, and people saving are falling behind due to bad global systems, or no global system exists to save humanity at the moment. Foods may be wiped out from the world due to bad global system. Life-saving herbs may be wiped out from the world due to bad global system. Life-saving medicines may be wiped out from the world due to bad global systems. Let us join together to save humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, sector, gender, color, nationality, rich, poor, young, old, etc. Reference Al Quran, chapter 5, verse 32. Let us join together, help each other, and develop new system. I have already mentioned in Global Anthem, Change Our World is my mini manifesto. Thank you.